I've made this video to highlight how easy it is people can break into your house. This is at normal speed. You won't believe how quick this happens. It's called lock snapping. I got this first 20 seconds of video from Shaun Kinsley's YouTube page. There'll be a link at the bottom. I'm going to show you how easy and cheap you can upgrade your locks and your handle so this can't happen. So first off, I scoured eBay for a Yale Platinum Ultra lock. It's got a TS007 2024 stamp. And it's a 3-star sold secured diamond lock. Then I scoured eBay for a HOPPE PAS24 security handle with a massive bolt that goes through the bottom. Just for comparison, we can see here that the HOPPE weighs 2.5 times the handle that was fitted to my front door. Right, now comes how easy it is to change them both. You need to put the key in to remove this because there's a little keyway you've got to line up straight. I'll show you that on the new lock that goes back in. So here's the little keyway that you got to line up, and obviously on this one you're doing the reverse. You're lining it up before you put it in. Now you've just got to put this retaining screw in the side, and that's it. Lock changed. If you wasn't changing the handle, you'd now be finished and just put your old handle back on. But we're putting the HOPPE security handle on because, you know, want to go that little bit extra. Okay, now here's that huge retaining bolt that goes through and it locks on this side of the door. And your faceplate and handle will screw to that. Also, this lock has a protective plate covering the Euro lock itself. Plus, I don't know if you can see, but these sides are angled, so it's very hard to get a grip on them to actually break the lock in the first place. So that's the DIY method. Don't forget, if you want someone to do it for you, contact Shaun Kinsley. Alright, details down below. He is a qualified locksmith.